Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So if this is your first time seeing my face, my name is Betty. Thank you so much for tuning in. So today we're going to be slaying, and after what this video was done, I was feeling myself. So let me show you how I got this beautiful makeup that I had in the intro. So I already applied my primer, and the primer that I use is Rimmel's Day Matte Primer. It does control my oily face. I have oily skin, so it does contour it pretty good. And right now I'm just defining my brows using my Rimmel brow pencil. I use the dark brown, and also I use the black brown as well. Both of the two colors help me to get the exact look that I'm going for. So as you can see, I'm defining my brows using my LA Girl Pro HD conceal, and I'm just defining the upper brows and the lower brows. Usually I use my foundation for my upper brows, but this day today I was trying to go in with my my concealer just to see how it's gonna come out. And right now I'm applying my foundation powder because I have large pores and I wanted to close them up by using the powder, and I find out that this technique does well pretty good. But on my nose it didn't do well at all, but I'm still figuring out how to be able to cover my pores on my nose. And since I'm pregnant, it's not easy. It's not easy because I'm having so much oil and my skin has changed a lot. So right now I'm highlighting my face using my Maybelline Fits Me concealer, and this concealer is pretty good for highlighting. It does a good job. And now I'm contouring my face using the same palette, which is Naked palette. Guys, let me tell you something. If you want to get affordable makeup, sorry, you can go to Target or TJ Maxx and you will get the affordable palette for sale. So that is exactly what I did. I go there and then I get my makeup from there. So now as you can see, I'm just blending the makeup, the concealer onto my skin, and it's coming up pretty good. So yeah guys, and what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna bronze my face using my CoverGirl cream bronzer. Guys, I can never stop using this cream bronzer. Like, this cream bronzer, CoverGirl, please bring this cream bronzer back because it's a struggle getting this cream bronzer. So yeah, and now I'm going to highlight my face using my Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I'm just gonna set my face, highlight the places that I wanna highlight and set. So right now onto my eyes, I'm going to define my eyes using my Jaclyn Hill palette, and I use the orange shade. I don't know if it's orange, I don't know how to say the colors though, but yeah, I use the orange shade as the transitioning color, and I use the wine. It looks like it's wine, it looks like it's cranberry. I also use that one on top of the transitioning color. It wasn't on top, on the lower lid. And I also use the darker shade as well, just to give it a smoky effect. So I only use just 3 eyeshadows, and guys, it's pretty good. My eyes was the easiest part of the makeup that I did. So yeah, right now I'm doing my eyeliner, and I'm using my Tarte, is it Tarte, I don't even know how to pronounce this pencil's name, guys, bear with me. So yes, I use this pencil for my clients. It's very good. It's very organic as well and very good for the eyes. And right now I'm just setting my powder and highlighting my face as well. So next I'm using the same pencil for my lower lid, and this pencil is 2-in-1. The other part has water liner, and the other end also is just an ordinary pencil that you can use for your lower lid as well. And right now I'm just highlighting my face, and I'm just gonna define my my lips using the same brow pencil that I use, which is the Rimmel brow pencil, and I'm using the dark brown to define my outer lips. And then I'm just, you know, brushing my lower lid with my mascara, and all the product that I'm using in this video will be listed down below. So just in case I don't mention anything, just go down below the video and you can, down below I mean description box, and then you can find all the product that I'm using. So right now I'm just using my how do we call it, Fenty Beauty lip gloss. I really do love Fenty Beauty lip gloss. It's everything, guys. And I'm just going in defining the lips, and guys, that is all for today's video. Not really much. This is a very simple video, so very simple makeup, sorry. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and also turn on your notification button. Bye.